Well, today we're at the Jet Ski World Cup down in Jomtien Beach. This is just about 10 minutes ride away from the condo, so come down, have a look. It is the GP or the F1 of jet ski. I'm not 100% sure what's happening today, just come on the off chance, but it's a big event. There's lots of countries being represented. Let's have a look at the post. This is the poster. So, and there's all the countries that being represented. New Zealand, Korea, England, America, China, Japan. They're all there.
จะต่ำกว่า3 นาทีและหยุดเวลาครับ
We are at the World Cup since 1997. Now, I'm not up on these jet skis, but like this one, quite nice. Just looking at the spec on it, this is a 300 horsepower, 1600 cc. So, I mean, there's some poke in these things. All digital display. They're just like the GPs of the sea, really, on water. Lovely. These are quite nice ones as well. There's a touring one with a box on the back. Let's see what this one's all about. Again, this one's a 1630 cc, 150 horsepower.
อีกหนึ่งในท็อป
Yeah, so today it's setting the time. It's getting their laps together and putting the time in and see what times they've got and where they sit on the grid, I suppose. But let's have a look, see if we can get down to the paddock or whatever they're called in jet ski terms. Obviously, there's a big following for the Thai team here. We've got the Russians. See who else we got up here. As I say, most countries are represented at this event. It is one of the biggest event of the year in the calendar of jet ski racing. So when the racing starts, which is over the weekend, this beach will be packed with spectators and enthusiasts of jet skis. So let's have a see if we can get in there. I don't know. We'll see if I can lag me way in again. Here's the English paddock. So looks like they're all out on the water or doing something. So let's have a quick look. See if we can get in there. Unfortunately, just look at that. They've got the Union Jack upside down. But we might have to tell them about that. Right, so we've managed to blag our way in. Hopefully no one's looking at us. But well, no, pole side. You want it pole side, which is this side. That's upside down, yeah. You've got some really nice jet skis here. You've got two types. You've got this type, which is the you sit down and ride it like a conventional motorbike. And then you've got the stand-up style as well. So I don't know what the difference is in class. Obviously, there's a class difference. Looks like the sit-down ones are a lot bigger than this is the stand-up one. Quite striking, some of these. 1600 cc. Like this one. Full race. As I say, they're coming out, getting the lap times. This is it. He's going to open it full up now to get back down to the start. In the World Cup Series, this is the ultimate. This is the finish of it. This is the Grand Prix. Now that's a stand-up one. The one we just see coming in was a sit-down. This is it looks like a junior on that one. We'll have a walk down the beach, along the paddock. Beautiful day here in Jomtien. You see, I suppose, could be a little bit calmer for this type of event, but a little bit of waves make it a little bit more spectacular. Russian rocket team. That's definitely Russian. Here you've got Thailand, you've got Russia, you've got UK. Quite a nice black one here. Don't know what team that is. That's got to be Japan, South Korea. One of them. It's got to be South Korea. So that's a nice, nice black one there. Here's one. He's coming up. This is a stand-up version or type. Now he's airing in there. Look. Right, they're trying to beat. I just overheard they're trying to beat 2 minutes around the course, and a lot of them, or most of them, are going in at about 1 minute 51. That one. So they're hitting times. The qualifying is two minutes. This is the South Korea team. Chilling out today, just fettling with the skis. This is Russia camp. So the Russians got a big presence here today. I just come over to Tannoy that they're going to stop for lunch now. So there's an hour break. We've got a German camp here. I don't know how many, I can't remember how many countries are being represented here. But this is the GP meeting for jet skis. New Zealand camp there, that's New Zealand camp. So New Zealand camp, they must have some of these big bad boys here. Cambodia is represented. Austria, New Zealand, Hungary, Finland, they're all here. A little bit of repair work going on there. It's a free pot with fully aspirated engine. I don't know what it is. 300, I don't know if that's for horsepower or what, but there's certainly some nice engines under here. So we've got Finland, UK. Here's one of these small ones, these stand-up ones. So let's have a quick look in here. Twin carb, fully aspirated, 2-pot. I don't know what size engine it is. This is the look down the paddock and the race area. That's the course out there, all those orange and red and green boys out there. That would be the course that they're whizzing around over the weekend to see who's going to be the world champion. And what a place to hold the championship. Look at this. This is miles and miles of sandy beach, palm tree lined, coconut tree lined, all the way down. What a setting. As I say, it's the Grand Prix of water skiing, authorised persons only. That's where I just come out of, because I was authorised by myself. But I'm sure when this gets underway, this is going to be a really good event to come to. So I must admit, when the Thais have got a facility like the beach here, they do use it. There's various functions, events going on all throughout the year, so they make the most of what they've got. The beach is pinnacle to what's going on here. So we've got chicken feet, chicken legs, all there. Looks like the Russian team have got their poster out. The good old kebabs there. All the food wagons waiting to supply when the hordes come down to watch the main race. We've got the coffee shop here. And of course, the soy dog. They're not interested in racing, it's too hot for them. And I must admit, it's a lovely, lovely day. Nice gentle breeze coming in. That is finest. Now these are interesting. These are motorised surfboards. Now you've got a little engine in there. I don't know what it is. See if we can find a bit of spec out on this one. Looks like it goes down to a propeller down the bottom. Single cylinder, just a little drive there. Looks like it's got to be a 2-stroke. There's your petrol tank. 555,000 baht. I'll do a conversion on that. So it looks like you stand up and use this as your control. That's your throttle when you stand on the board. And of course, everything today is gearing up. Plenty of drinks and food about. There's always food in Thailand. You can't go anywhere without food. People enjoying themselves, just sitting down, relaxing. You've got all the traditional Thai foods here and some Western. Right, going through the slalom, this young girl that's out there again is Thai. She looks very fast. The time to beat on the slalom for this category is 2 minutes 55 seconds. Let's see what she comes in with. So this one, she stalled it halfway round, but let's see what her time is. She looks like she's very fast at the moment.
Will it be faster? Here she comes. ทางตรงสุดท้ายแหละครับ โอ้สดใสครับ
It's looking good
และหยุดเวลาครับ 2.23.03 ครับ เอาเลยครับ เพชรชมพูชุม
So she got in at 2:23, so she takes lead position. So very good on that. Right, so that's it. We're going to call it a day today watching this, sitting out in the blazing hot sun. It's well up in the 30s today, so it's no shade on the stands. So, but if you're ever this way over the weekend, come down. I'm sure it'll be a good weekend for you. And don't forget, if you like the video, smash that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, make a comment, and I'll come back to you. Till the next time, stay safe.